What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Finesse God, Iggy Diggy, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with this. Clearly, y'all can see another month, another unboxing. Alright, so look, man, today we're gonna make this short, quick, easy, painless, all that good shit. I felt like I was too high. I was sitting on 24s and I'm used to sitting on 10s. But nah, nah, man, so today we got two packages. Two. One from Sense, one from Pacsun. But you'll see, like they contain like the same thing, but they're not from the same place, but it's the same thing. And I know it sounds confusing, but trust me, it's gonna be good. So hit that thumbs up, hit that like button if you haven't already. Join the God Squad, subscribe, so you can enjoy the rest of all this great, beautiful content that I have been so diligently recording lately. So that being said, let's get straight into it. Alright, so this first pack that we're going to be opening is coming from Sense. And thank God they gave me a big ass box, because I'm selling some of my sneakers on GOAT and I need the big ass boxes. What we got from Sense, right? I don't know if y'all used to seeing these little gray bags or whatnot, but those gray bags usually entail one thing only. Bam! We got some. Can y'all even see it? I don't think so. I think my lighting maybe. We got some motherfucking essentials if you couldn't tell. So, just because those are essentials in there, and essentially, this is essentials too, we're going to open both. Usually I wouldn't do this, but we're going to open them all at the same time, and then I'm going to show y'all exactly what I got. So, I know y'all might be asking, like, why you get essentials from two different websites, Finesse. Like, also I got some Playboy Socks. I like these socks. I'm probably gonna wear these socks Saturday. I know y'all probably like, why you get essentially essentials from two different places? Just because Sense ain't have this one, and then Pacsun didn't have these ones. So essentially it was just one place ain't have everything I wanted. So we got 3 motherfucking bags of essentials. You like it? 3 bags, cut. 3 motherfucking bags. But nah, man, I'm gonna show you these socks first, and then we're gonna open these bags. So essentially these are just, I keep saying essential. This is an essential packed ass unboxing. But nah, so these are some Playboy socks with the bunny on them. But they just tan and brown. I like this colorway, and I like these socks. Oh, I'm sorry, you want to smell them? Hold on. Here you go. I felt so bad because she was like, oh, you want to smell them? They cool? Yeah, they cool. She said they cool. Alright, so I'm gonna have to put you down, okay? I'm gonna pick you back up once I'm done, but these heavy, these big boys. Say bye to the people real quick. Bye to the people real quick. Okay? I'm gonna put you down real quick. Here you go. Alright, so let's get into the first one. I think this is the one from Pacsun. So let's open this one. And usually I keep these, don't eat that. I keep these in their little bags or whatnot, just to help preserve and protect. Protect and serve, looking at it. But nah, so this is the first one I got, and all these I got in a size extra large. So it's just the tan hoodie. It's just essentials, Fear God on front, and then it's got the one with the pocket. It's like a, I wouldn't say it's thick or heavy, but it's better than like a Gildan hoodie, if that makes sense. So yeah, I got this one. This one is the oak one. Fuck it. Retail on this is how much? Retail on this is 90. I got mine for like 60 because for some reason wasn't nobody buying the hoodies, which is stupid. So you're supposed to buy your winter clothes in the summer and your summer clothes in the winter, because that's when everything is on sale, which is why I gotta $90, almost $100 hoodie for 60 bucks. Y'all slacking. But yeah. So the next two, or the last two, is coming from Sense. And this one right here is another hoodie that I got. It's the gray one. The only thing is, I really didn't pay attention, and I'm a little pissed. You like this one? Yeah? Come on. Come on. She want to see so bad. I like this one. It's just, there's no pocket on the front. And I'm like, fuck, I didn't even realize it. But now, this is just a Essentials hoodie in gray. And it has Essentials on the back, Fear of God on the back. There's no branding on the front. I really don't like that shit. But the reason I got this one instead of the one with the branding on the front, because the one with the branding on the front costs more, in all honesty. And I was like, why the fuck would I pay more? Just, like, it's still an Essentials hoodie. Like, there's still lettering on the back. And I mean, even if they don't know it's a fucking Essentials hoodie, I know it's goddamn Essentials hoodie. And I like the way it look. I like the way it feels. So fuck it. But I was like, I'm not paying more just to have a logo move from the back of the hoodie to the front of the hoodie. Like, that's crazy. And I was like, I really want to get two things. And I was like, if I get essentially a gray and the next color, like, I wouldn't have been able to do it. So because I got this one, I was able to get this next one that we about to unbox. I know I'm folding this like 5 different times, but I didn't want to do what I'm doing right now and put this shit on her head. But you was in the way, booby. I'm sorry. She looked at, bitch, you better not do that again. Alright, so lastly, the last Fear of God one we got is the black Essentials hoodie. So, damn, I missed. So we got the Essentials hoodie in black. And this one, yeah, it's got Essentials on the front. Oh, it got that bitch on the back too? Oh, that leak! I didn't even know that. But it got Essentials on the front. It did Essentials on the back. So essentially, I paid more for this one than that gray one because, and hopefully I put prices on screen if I remember to do it. I know when this drops, I would have been editing a lot. So I might have forgot to do it, but hopefully I did. But I paid more for double branding. Like, in all honesty, I was like, if I had to choose between the gray or the black one, I'd rather have the double branding on the black one because I'm more likely to wear that one more than the gray one. The gray one I'll wear, but that black one is going to be clutch for me. So, 3 Fear of God hoodies right here, right? So we got oak colored. Let's see if I can finesse this. Gray. I fucked that up. It's not gonna work. Fuck. Cut, bitch, cut. Alright, so what I was trying to do wasn't gonna work, so I just refolded these shits and put them over here. Alright, so the thing is, forgot what I was saying, but when I was folding these, I kind of realized, like, I'm not gonna say the quality is different from the 2 brands, but the one I got from Sense feel a lot better than the one I got from Pacsun. I don't know if there's a difference, or maybe different colors have different like qualities and stuff. But this black one feel way better than this oak one. And they're essentially the same, I think. You know what? They're not, because this doesn't have Essentials on the back. So I'm tripping. So nix that whole thing. So yeah, what I was saying though is I paid more for the black hoodie than any of these. And in all honesty though, shit was on sale. Like, I know a lot of people, for some reason I don't understand, like, don't want to buy hoodies in the summer because they can't wear that shit right away. That is the dumbest fucking thing in the world. Because nigga, even if you don't get to wear it right away, it's still gonna be fucking new when you go to wear it. And instead of trying to go back and buy the shit, hopefully it's still in your size, hopefully it ain't sold out, or hopefully like it's not fucking retail price and it's still on sale. Buy that shit then and there when you see it. Like, that's what I always do. I don't care what season it is. Like, if the shit look dope, I'm going to buy it. Like, because I know I'm going to wear it eventually. So that's how I buy my clothes. And that's the reason I'm sitting here and unbox 3 big ass fucking hoodies. So it's the smart way to shop, in my opinion. I've always done this. I've done this since like 2014, 2013, to where I'm buying shit like winter clothes in the summer and summer clothes in the winter. So just a little helpful hint. That's like the smartest thing to do. But yeah, man, like, be on the lookout. I'm gonna do I got like 2 more video ideas for this. I'm gonna, well, y'all will see them when they drop. But just be on the lookout. Y'all probably gonna see these hoodies again in like another video, and one of these in like one more video I got planned. I can't really talk about it because I don't want to ruin future unboxings for y'all, but y'all get it. I'm talking way too much about 3 fucking hoodies. But yeah, man, just be on the lookout for more of these. Probably styling, and I'm gonna shut up. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all watch all the rest of the content. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up, that like button if you stayed this long. And yeah, man, I'm your boy, the finesse guy, 80 Diggy, J Diggy 92. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.